Hello, very good afternoon to you. If you've missed out on the recent fun of snowballs, if you're in the right place at the right time this coming week, I may have some fresh ammunition for you. The general theme, if we can condense it to 3 words, tough stuff that, bright and chilly. That's been the way of it for some of you, I know. There are a couple of features you need to keep an eye on. There's a small curl of cloud there away to the north of the British Isles, another one to the south, and one lurking behind me. And these two more southerly features will combine later on in the week. But in the short term, we've got that easterly, which has been a real feature of the weather across the southern counties of the British Isles in recent days. Further north, well, there's been more cloud associated with that front, just pushing its way down across the northern half of the British Isles, and it's just added to the amount of cloud, if that's at all possible for some of you. And it's been thick enough for the odd bit and piece of light rain and drizzle, nothing to write home about really, across the north and east of Scotland, across the Pennines, along the east coast as well. But we rather change the story as we get down into parts of East Anglia, across the southern counties of England, parts of the Midlands faring quite nicely as well, because here there is some sunshine to be had. And we've turned off a little bit of the wind. Yesterday it was very gusty and raw, wasn't it? The temperatures really struggled in some places. But if you're out of that easterly today, wee bit of sunshine, well, it's probably going to feel, dare I say it, like spring. So too for Western Wales. Just a wee bit more cloud in parts of Northern Ireland was the case during the course of yesterday. So too for the western side of Scotland. A lot of dry weather. It'll be the same again overnight. Quite a bit of dry weather. The odd spot of light rain and drizzle, except, and there is always an exception, down in the southwestern corner, the old band of cloud that I was talking about down here, just creeping that little bit further north, producing some rain and drizzle here on what is essentially going to be another pretty cool night across many parts of the British Isles. The cloud keeping the frost at bay for most of us. And there you see the alignment of that front still wrapped around the area of low pressure here down towards Biscay, and there's no great drive to get this thing from sort of south to north across the British Isles. It's going to be a slow old creep during the course of the day, and it may well be that we get some of the rain associated with that up and across the Bristol Channel. It might just start flirting with the southern coastal fringes of Wales, for example. Elsewhere, a lot of cloud, the odd bit and piece of light rain and drizzle in the breeze on what is going to be another cool old day. There's no doubt about it. The temperatures at this time of year should in fact be in double figures. Tuesday, not a great deal of change in the south, you'll notice. Still the low pressure there, the one still waiting in the wings away to my west, and then up to the north, a ridge of high pressure trying to extend its influence down across the British Isles. Notice it's more of a northerly there rather than an easterly, and that northerly will eventually drag some snow showers into what is going to be quite a chilly prospect here for this northeastern corner of Scotland, particularly the Northern Isles. Similar sort of prospect on Wednesday. More sunshine underneath this area of high pressure perhaps, a quieter spell of weather, but a frosty start to the day is no doubt doubt about it. I'm getting so excited about this. Tuesday night into Wednesday, Wednesday night into Thursday, there will be some frost around, some quite hard frost at times as well, but a better chance of some sunshine during the course of the day. Still snow showers in this northeastern corner for a time, and there may just be the possibility of something coming out of the Atlantic for the northwest of Scotland. And then as we get on into Thursday, a bright enough start for many of us, but this is where we bring in this other lump of cloud in towards the southwest. And it may well be that we push